In this video, I'm going to talk about technical math, chapter 7. So it's about quadratic equations. Seven point one is quadratic equations and solution. By factoring. So what is quadratic equation? That means we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's standard form, where a cannot be 0. The rest could be 0, because we could have x squared equals 0. We could also have x squared plus bx equals 0. And the last one's x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. But we cannot have a equals 0. If a equals 0, we will have bx plus c equals 0, or just if b is also 0, c equals 0. This is not quadratic. Quadratic means x squared, the coefficient for x squared, cannot be 0. For example, we have x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. It's a equal to 1, b equal to negative 4, c equal to negative 5. Next one, we have 2x squared plus 7x equals 0. So a equal to 2, b equals 7, c equals 0. Another one, we have 4x squared minus 2x equal to x squared. So we need to change that form to 4 minus 1, x squared minus 2x equals 0. So 3x squared minus 2x equals 0. A equals 3, b equals negative 2, c equals 0. So example for 9 examples. Not the quadratic. So if we have x cubed plus x squared equals 0, that's not quadratic. Quadratic means the highest power is 2. Okay, let's see how we solve the equation. So we have x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. So we can factor this. This is x, is 3, 4, negative. So it's plus 4, 3. So x plus 3, x minus 4 equals 0. X equal to negative 3, or x equal to 4. We have 2n squared plus 7n minus 4 equals 0. So 2n and 4, negative 1. We have 7n. So 2n times 4 minus n equals 7n. 2n minus 1, n plus 4 equals equals half, or n equals negative 4. If we have x squared plus 4 equals 4x, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So x minus 2 times x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. We have same root. If we have 1 over x plus 3 equals 2 over x plus x, so we can times x and x plus 2. That's a common denominator. So we have x plus 2 plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 2 times x. So x plus 2 plus 3x squared plus 6x equals 2x. 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. So we have 3x, x, we have 2, 1. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. So 3x plus 2 and x plus 1 equals 0. X equals negative 2 over 3, or x equals negative 1. Seven 7.2 is about completing the square. Let's say x squared equals 16, so we can do x squared minus 16 equals 0, x minus 4, x plus 4 equals 0, x equals 4, or x equals negative 4. If we have x minus 3 squared equals 16, x minus 3 could equal 4, or x minus 3 equals negative 4. So x equals 7, or x equals negative 1. If we have x minus 3 squared equals root 17, so x minus 3, that will equals, that should be 17 here. So negative root 17, x minus 3 equals positive root 17. So x equals 3 minus root 17, or x equals 3 plus root 17. Seven 7.3 is about the quadratic. Formula. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, a not equals 0, and the root for x1 and x2 equals 2a minus negative b plus minus square root b squared plus 4ac, minus 4ac. And dot equals b squared minus 4ac. If dot greater than 0, then x1 not equal to x2. If dot equals 0, that means x1 equal to x2. Delta less than 0, no root. So let's say if we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So a equals 1, b equals -5, and c equals 6. Delta equals b squared minus 4ac. We have -5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. So we have 25 minus 24, which is 1. And x1 equals, or 2 equals 2 times 1 negative b plus square root delta. So it's 2, 5 plus 1, that's 3. x2 equals 2 times 1 negative b minus square root delta. So it's 2, 5 minus 1, that's 2. And 7.4 is about a graph. So if we have y equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. So if we have this, we can change that to center. We can change this from y equal to x squared minus 8x plus 6. So it's x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 8 plus 6. So it's 2x minus 2, the whole thing square, minus 2. So we know the vertex is v is 2, negative 2. When we scratch the graph, we can do the symmetric. It's x equal to 1, 2. So right here, vertex is 2 minus 2, and the open is up because a is greater than 0. So 2, negative 2 is here. And we have when x equals 0, y equals 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. That is here. 0, 6. The other one should be negative 2, 0. So that's 1, negative 1. So when that equals 0, 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals 0. X squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. 1, 3. So it's 1 and 3. So when x equals 3, it equals 0. When x equals 1, it's 0 again. So that's the graph we have. Y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. This is kind of the graph. So we need to find the symmetric line. X equals 2, find the vertex, find the open direction. Okay, this is everything for today's video. Thank you for watching.